What is up, and welcome back to the I Do It Alls. Today I'm showing you some super fun paper crafts. Well, one to be exact. This is going to be super cute and super fun. I don't want to bore you with this intro, so let's go to the video. The materials needed for this craft is some paper, either plain or colored paper. If it's not colored, you're going to need some paint to color it. Make sure it's some thick paper. I have cardstock. You're going to need some scissors, glue stick, some twine. That's it. Step number one is to take your twine or string and you're going to cut the length you want for your banner. I have about 8 feet of twine here. Now taking our paper and our glue, we're going to fold the paper in half like a hot dog style. Have you heard that before? And we're going to make sure we crease it nice. Now we're going to open it back up and place the string through the middle crease. Using our glue, we're going to glue right where we're going to lay the string. Just like so. Just like so. And then lay the string on top of that. This alone isn't going to hold the string exactly where we want it, so we're going to glue all over one of the first panels. And then we're going to flip it over, sandwiching the string between. Just like so. Try your hardest to make sure the corners align. I didn't do so great on this one, but I'll do better on the next. I'm going to show you one more example. Paper gets folded in half like a hot dog. Oh wait, is this hammer? I don't know. Just like this though. Unfold it, slide it under your string. You want to make sure both of the papers are touching each other. We're going to glue the string in place. Unfold it, glue on one of the panels, and sandwich the string in between, lining up the corners as best as you can. This is how it should look, and now we're going to do these all the way through the rest of our twine. You can keep it like this or turn them into triangles. The best way to turn your panels into triangles is to measure a halfway mark on your panel. Make a mark there. You're going to go from the very top corner and line it up with your ruler to the very bottom mark. You're going to mark all this with a line and do the same to the other side. Okay, now instead of a mess of rectangles, we have a mess of triangles. Yay. Now enjoy this painting session.
I could spot a fake from a mile away. Oh, I could spot the fake in a beautiful face. Yeah, she could put the devil to shame. Oh, I could spot a fake from a mile away. Oh, I could spot the bag and the girl that you date. She's playing with your heart till it breaks. Oh.
Okay, everything is all painted. It looks a little bit like crackly, but this next step should clear it up. I also just wanted to note that I am not doing the back side. I feel like that would take a lot of paint. Speaking of, I have so much left over. Ugh. So, yeah, don't do the back side if you don't want to.
It's uphill climb. He has something to prove. He has nothing to lose.
Now, if I do say so myself, we have a beautiful mess of colored banners. You could add some beads or some tassels to the end, but I'm going to show you what it looks like hanging up. Okay, here is the final product. Okay, this banner is so customizable. If you'd like to see it in different forms, comment down below what you'd like to see it in. But yeah, this is super fun, and I love like doodling on all the different panels. Oh, that was super fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you had the end, I can't thank you more. If you want to see me make a giant banner, I mean like one that wraps around my entire yard, if we can get 10 subscribers on this video, I'll do it. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.